Okay, I think we're live to the world now, bud. Here we
All
go.
right, let's do it.
All right, welcome back to the show, folks. Season 1, Episode 2, Test Pilot. Looks like we have potentially an interesting day coming up. Um, Let me get the daily chart going here. It's kind of hard to say exactly what's going to happen. Um, Ideally, I'd like a dip to come back up. But this thing's looking pretty strong at the moment. But come the open, we could get knocked down. We're just gonna have to, as day traders, we need to react to what we see. So we'll let the market open up and do its thing and see what we get. What do you think, BDR?
Yeah, man, let's take a look here. I'm going to look at my higher time frames. Yeah, again, like yesterday, yearly, quarterly, monthly, everything's looking really bullish and strong. And then yesterday we were stuck below the true average on the weekly, and now we're up above that. So now that's starting to look strong as well. So and the daily, we closed pretty high up, and we're above the VolPro resistance level. So yeah, and we're above the core DML. So we are looking pretty bullish. According to this, my daily, the extension DML's way up there, just under 30,000 at like 950. I don't think we'll get that far, but I think we got a lot of chances for some longs today. I'm definitely long biased, but I agree with you. We're at the top of the previous day range or near the top third, and but you see um, if you look on your 10K, you got a lot of resistance there building up above us, up above price right
Mm-hmm.
now with all those core DMLs and extension DMLs and everything. So yeah, I think we're good. We're set up for a nice push down, hopefully at the open. Set up some nice longs at least. Man, I would say right around. I would love to see it somewhere around the 450 range, but we'll see if we get there. I'd like to see it come down a little bit, to toward this overnight low around 450. But I don't know if that'll materialize quite that far, but that would be a
Yeah, that would
prime
be.
opportunity.
Yeah, that'd be a nice little gift to try to get long. That's for sure. But
Yeah, so I think we're good. I think our bias is definitely we're on side long today, and let's have some fun, man. Let's do some trading. Also, want to start things off letting everybody know that obviously this is not financial advice. We're just two guys. This is what we do every day anyway. We're trading. We thought we'd bring you along. Please don't do what we do or follow along or take this as trade signals or any kind of anything like that. As everybody knows, trading is risky. Most people lose money at it. And for full disclosure, we are trading on prop firm accounts today. There'll be times in the future when we're trading on real cash accounts, and we'll let you know. But yeah, we're not hiding anything. We're doing prop firm accounts, so this is not necessarily a live cash account, but we're trying to learn a little bit and be better every day. And yeah, that's it.
yeah, well said, buddy. Well said.
Thanks,
We
thanks.
probably we should probably get a couple on-screen disclaimers.
Yeah,
But
we'll get that set up this over the weekend or
this,
something. Maybe we can get
yeah,
something or
this is only our second kick at the can, kind of just
yeah, bro.
seeing how we feel about it. I'm enjoying it so far, and I mean, we'll only get a lot better as the days go on. I mean,
Yeah, yeah,
I've already overcome a lot of hurdles just setting it up and whatnot, so that's pretty cool.
yeah.
But
Definitely, definitely.
yeah, long time
I'm
listener, first time caller.
right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're about just a little less than 10 minutes out, and yeah, let's see what this day is going to bring us. I think any news that you're aware of that happened overnight?
Uh, I don't think so.
Hmm.
Uh, I mean, I don't think this is too material, but the army chief of Pakistan's on his way to Tehran. I mean,
Mm,
they say they're
yeah.
close to a deal. One side says they're close, the other side says fuck no. I don't. It's just been so back and forth. I just don't really.
Right,
I don't.
right.
I don't really. I don't know.
All good, brother.
I guess. I guess the way to look at it is it ain't over till the fat lady sings, right? So
Right, right,
until
right.
she
As soon as the
starts singing, then we know it's over.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, all these monkeys in suits keep telling us all kinds of things, but at the end of the day, we got VolPro Edge to tell us where the market is going, and just to for anybody who hasn't seen it before, I know the charts probably look a little strange, a little different than what you're used to. We don't use candlesticks. We don't use a lot of the standard indicators. What you're seeing here is called VolPro Edge, and you can see it over at volproedge.com. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial, and this is the brainchild of Andy Owings. And this is a proprietary indicator, and it's one of the few forward-looking indicators that are out there, and we'll be explaining it a little bit at a time as we go through, but just stick with us and we'll show you. Um, all these different lines and dots and things, they basically help us read the story of what the market's trying to tell us so that we can trade better. But it's still just probabilities, right? Nobody can read the market. Nobody's got a crystal ball. Anybody who tells you they do is at best a liar, at worst a thief, trying to take your money and show you something that's a bunch of BS. So but we'll explain how these interact with each other, and they're a comprehensive picture. There's no one of these factors that means more than the other necessarily, but they all work together to kind of shape our opinion of what's going on and what the market's trying to tell us. So we'll share that as we go along.
Yeah, I mean the whole premise or idea of this stream, guys, is to you know collect those struggling traders out there, perhaps, and try to show them a system that's actually tried, tested, and true. None of this online guru bullshit. So, I mean, I know it's changed the course of my trading dramatically. That's uh, it's undeniable for sure. I still have my own uh, internal struggles, but as far as something solid to follow, this is definitely it.
Absolutely, man. Yeah, you mentioned internal struggles. It's something we all deal with, man. If you don't have it, you haven't traded, or if you haven't had it, you haven't traded. And it's definitely something we all struggle with. So, yeah, the indicators, the charts, the technicals, that's just one leg of the stool. You got to have your psychology tight, and you got to have your risk management tight. And yeah, we'll talk about those subjects probably too a little bit here and there, sprinkle it in. Whatever we can do to make it entertaining for you. If you got any comments or anybody has anything, throw it down there and we'll do our best to get to it. But also realize, we're traders first. And so we're going to be focused on our trading. If we don't get to your comment right away or something like that, just realize we're probably focused on something and we'll get right back to it. Oh, how's this going to shape up here, man? Let's see.
I would really love to see a healthy pullback, like you said, down into the down into the fours would be nice.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I got, right now, if looking on my screen, let's see what it looks like on yours. Yeah, at least this, somewhere over the below the middle of the envelope around that congestion DML there, that light blue dot on the 10K. And by the way, just so everybody knows, when we say 10K and 50K, we don't work off time-based charts. We execute on them, but we don't analyze on them. These are volume-based charts. The top one on the screen there is called the 50K. That's 50,000 contracts of the NASDAQ. And that's what each bar represents. Each finished bar is 50,000 contracts. The bar below it, or the screen below it, is 10,000. So there's 5 of the bottom one to make 1 of the top one. For those following along on time-based charts, basically think of it as the 1 hour and the 15-minute, and that's basically what we're working off of here.
That's it.
So yeah, this 10K, I'd like to see it pull down, you know, bottom of the envelope, you know, that bottom green line there. I would love to see it somewhere there. If not, at least through that light blue congestion DML, that would be awesome. I can't tell quite on your chart. Looks like that's somewhere around 500. So 480, 500, something like that would be beautiful.
Yeah, I'd even like 400 even.
Yeah,
Or
and it
yeah,
looks like the trough, the bottom of the trough on my screen's at about 515. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like yours is about there too, somewhere in there. where the change of structure is. It's right around 515.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What do we got here? 2.5 minutes.
Yeah, man. Let's see. What do we got? Yep, 230 on the nose. So hopefully this first bar takes a nice big dump for us, and we'll see what we got. Mm, man, I haven't finished my coffee yet. I love that coffee. It's the whole point of living down in Costa Rica. Drink good coffee, man.
That's what life's all about, eh?
Mm, it's so
Yeah.
good, man. So good, brother.
Uh,
What's the weather like up there in your neck of the woods up in Canada?
Oh, it snowed this morning.
Oh, man, it was like summer
No,
yesterday. You said that it snowed.
I'm just, I'm just fucking with you, dude.
Oh, okay. I
It's
was say
summer.
it's
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 summer.
yanking your
It's
chain. Now you're
summertime.
yanking mine.
Yeah, yeah. He'll BDR reach around.
Right, right. Thank you. Appreciate
But
that, man. Uh,
yeah, man, it's a little bit. It's like 15 degrees Celsius. So that's probably
okay,
like, I don't
that's
know. It's in
brisk
the
for me.
30s. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
brisk for
It
me.
is.
But yeah,
It'll get,
that's the
it'll
thing.
get, it'll get
I live
warmer
here.
here though.
I live here where it's the same temperature all the time, so I forget about seasons. I forget that that it's look at that. It's end of May. It's probably late spring, starting to think like early summer. I don't even think like that anymore. It's crazy.
Yeah.
All right. All right, we are down to 1 minute, folks. Let's see what this thing is going to do. See if some action starts heating up here. Not much range overnight range, man. Not a whole lot. What do we got looking at?
Yeah, it was decent.
A couple hundred points,
We
but
went.
yeah.
Yeah, that's for overnight. That's not bad, man. Definitely gets a lot tighter than that.
All right, hang on 1 second.
I'm hanging on. Oh,
All right, I'm back. Let's do this.
the old lady needed something.
Yeah, yeah. Unfortunately, my office also serves as a storeroom pantry kind of thing for the house because the houses down here don't come with a lot of cabinets and storage. So you got to make room and
Oh,
find it where you can. All right, here we go. We're started.
all right. Let's fuck.
Yeah, we got it. Let's do it. Oh, wow. Nice little push down there.
A little bit. Let's. I want to see it.
Yeah, it didn't stay down there, though. It just like a couple milliseconds flashed down there. There was no way to catch any of that. Wow. My my charts froze up there for a second. I wonder if it's just all this volatility. This is crazy.
Didn't even give us a chance.
Yeah, it just went ripping, didn't
Not
it?
a, not a hello. Not a fuck you. Nothing.
It's all good, man. We'll catch up.
We always do.
Yep. Yeah, I'm still waiting for my chart to come back live. This is crazy. My Sierra's doing good. My Quant Tower is just struggling. There now, it's back live. Yeah, it's ripping up to those highs. Look at that. Yeah, now the fact that it passed that extension DML is pretty significant there on the 10K. That hot pink dot. If you look there, folks, that's those
Right here.
these DMLs. These dots are called DMLs, and they if you watch them on the in front to the right of the current bar that's moving and printing on the live price, those are adjusting as price moves. But when it starts to print the next bar, those will become static and stay put. So those are predictive before before it actually happens. Hey, looks like we got Dan in the room here now. How you doing, Dan? Good to see you, brother. He's all the way over there in Portugal, man. We got people all around the world.
Oh, Dan Daniel, my man.
Yeah.
Dan Daniel, everybody.
Good deal. Good deal, man. Yeah, this is one thing about the VolPro Edge community, man. It's amazing. We got people all over the world trading, making money, doing things, learning, and a super supportive community. Everybody helps each other out. It's awesome. It's a good place to be, man. Andy's really created something special with this, and we're happy to be part of it. Make sure you guys, if you like the content, like the video, subscribe, help us out. We're just trying to build this thing and teach people a little at a time. And while we learn ourselves, we're going to get better and better, and we'll take you along for the ride. All right, we got 126 points on this opening range so far.
Yeah.
We are definitely, we're trending up. Yes, sir, Dan. All right. Let's see how far this thing is going to pull back here. All right. Yeah, let's see where are we at on the 50K. We got two more bars, this bar and one more to go before that changes over. So yeah, man, this I usually don't. I try not to trade this first like 5-10 minutes sometimes, unless it's unless it's really good and I have to because it's set up so
Yeah.
good. Just because the
Definitely.
volatility on NQ is so much, man, makes you have to have really big stops, and I don't like to take a lot of heat on these things if I can avoid it.
Yeah, it's the name of the game. Less heat, the better.
Right, right. What are you seeing there, Big J? You see anything that looks good for you?
No, no.
Not
Well,
yet.
I mean, could attempt longs around 600, but I'd I'd rather just get this opening
Yeah.
little while out of the way and get
Yep.
something else set up.
Yep. Well, and if you remember yesterday, man, pretty much once the opening range was established, it pretty much was a congestion zone the whole day. With a few little peaks and valleys up top and out in the bottom, but it just spent a lot
Yeah.
of time bouncing back and forth. Very congested yesterday, at least in the early part of the market. All right.
Could be reaching for 700.
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, if you look at the look at those DMLs just above us there, that yellow core DML and that pink extension DML, those are definitely possibilities according to the math. So yeah, those are definitely on the table. Although we are getting ready to change bars here. Let's see if this changes above or below those stacked core DMLs there on the oncoming set. If those stay put and we close above those, that could be a good sign too for a long.
Mm-hmm.
I'd still wait for a little bit of pullback, but I don't think you'll get much with those stacked there like that if we close above that. Yeah, there we did. So let's see if we get any pullback, maybe back to true average 630. 620 would be better, but I don't know if we're going to get it.
Yeah, if we could come down a little bit, then
Let's see what we got here. We've been pulling back to about the that blue line, which is the VolPro reaction support level, which is a good indicator of support. If we can get back there, for sure I'm in, but I don't know if it's going to happen. In fact, I'm scared of this daily high here at 665.
oh, don't worry about that.
No, that's going. Now it's going. Yeah, I would have liked to have seen it down around 30, but yep, there now it's ripping. Yep, I'm gonna push that high up a little bit more. There she goes. Yeah, footprint showing a nice healthy 500. Yeah.
Yep, we'll just have to wait.
All right.
I almost pulled the trigger when we dipped down to 600 there on the previous 10K,
Right.
but I was like, no, I'll let this play out a little bit, and then
Right. It's been pretty
sure
volatile
enough,
though.
she
I mean,
ripped.
this volatility has been crazy, ripping around, so it's hard to say. But I know we'll get plenty of opportunities a little bit later. I do think there's plenty of potential to the upside on this market today, so we'll see if that plays out. Looks like we're forming a little bit of a pocket here on this resistance level on this 10K. All right, what are we at here? About halfway through. And yeah, we're going to switch over 50K bars here at the end of this one and about 4,000 more contracts. So that'll be interesting to see where that, we got an extension DML on the 50K up there around 700, 710. So I think we're going to see that for sure. And depending on if that holds or if that we get rejected there, that'll tell us what's going on for the next part.
Yeah. Yeah, we're arriving at 700 now.
Mm-hmm. All right. Nice. Let's see here what we got.
Now we could. Well, we could easily go match previous highs, dude. Up at 800, basically 800.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we're right there.
All right.
If we get a pullback, I'll be looking for that.
Yeah, we were definitely, looks like so far, that extension DML held pretty good. So maybe the action's going to slow down a little bit. I don't know. We got a little resistance up above us. Let's see.
Come on, come down. Come
Yeah,
down.
I don't like how those DMLs are up top there. We'll see. What level you stocking there, Big J?
I just want to see it. I just want to see the 50K come down probably 630.
Gotcha. About just a
I'd
little.
be interested in
Okay.
longs,
Nice.
but I don't know. We get it. We
Just
might get it.
yeah. Still above the that red line there, the VolPro reaction resistance level. As long as we don't blow through that, huh? Let's see. Yeah, the footprint showing a couple of hundred in the red sellers. Hey, how's it going? What's up, Woo? We got Woo in the
Hey,
house.
buddy.
Glad to have you, man. Thank you for showing up.
Yeah, that's
All
awesome.
right. Oh. There we go. It's flirting with your level. Just thinking about it. Yeah, we're almost minus 600 on the footprint though. Just letting you know. If that matters to you. Yeah, there we go, man. Let's make a little support pocket here on this 10K.
Yeah,
Looks like
let's
you
get
looks
down.
like you got your level there on the 50K coming close, but maybe it's got a little farther to go. Maybe that true average.
Fuck, I lagged like
I don't know.
crazy there.
Yep.
Order filled.
All right. Volume's looking good. It's crazy. This first 15 minutes, we had almost as much movement as a whole overnight. That's a good sign, though. I like that. I like that amount of
Yeah,
space to
I'm
work
long
with.
from 640.
All right, let's see what's up.
Let's see
All
if we
right,
can
good
get back
job.
to the top here.
That's probably a solid entry, man. Let's go.
Let's see what we get.
Hopefully we get up there. What are you shooting for?
Just basically if we get close to 700.
Gotcha. Well, let's see.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, get above that core DML on the 50K. Will give us nice support. Push from there, maybe. And above the true average, that beigeish, pinkish kind of looking dot there on the 10K. If we can get above that, for sure, that'll be real nice.
Oh,
Sellers are trying though, man. Sellers are really,
yeah.
really charging right now. But let's see what this new bar shows. We're in a pocket. We're in a support pocket, so that indicates that it might want to push up a little bit from here. But let's see. Come on, give Big J, give Uncle J some love. There we go. I like to see that. Yep. Buyers haven't quite shown up yet, but they're trying. There we go, up above the middle of that envelope. Come on, baby. All
Come
right.
on.
It's trying, man. Buyers are trying now. They're starting to show up. There we go. It's getting over 200 now. So, all right, here's your push. Oh. See, we got a high of about 718. So yeah, your 700 should be good, man. Just got to be patient, wait a little bit longer, I guess. All right. Come on, man. Give it a little love. Oh, looks like Wu says he can't see. Yeah, 50K, 10K. Oh, he probably can't see the designator. Yeah, Wu, the top chart on the screen there is 50K. The bottom is 10K. The descriptions are just hidden, but that's what that is. All right, man, it's farting around here. I think it's going to pop here. I think you got it. You're in a good spot.
Fuck, we keep getting whacked down.
Yeah, something's up there around 700 just pushing down, but it's not, I don't know what the deal is.
Order filled.
I got out of it. I didn't like that push down.
All right.
Happened too many times. Yeah. Roughly break even.
All right. All right. Well, good risk management, man. You know, you gotta manage that capital and be able to fight again. Let's see here. I'm watching the footprint. Dan is asking about the footprint. No, the footprint is on Sierra charts. That's what I'm watching. So I'm just making a little bit of commentary there, just so Jay has that information to go on. But yeah, you can. And for those watching, yeah, the footprint's basically the delta between ask and bid volume, and looking at, you know, whether there's buyers or sellers are coming in strong or not, and looking at cumulative and the delta between those two. So um, sometimes it's a little bit of a help to see that to time your entries a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Let's see, man, is this gonna? It's going to take a breath here around 700 maybe for a couple bars. I know NQ tends to do that. You know, it'll push up a little bit and then take a breath and then push up a little bit and take a breath. So we might be at that level now because of all these extension and core DMLs up above on both the 50K and the 10K, putting a little bit of resistance up there above us. You know, then all we need is a politician to tweet something or a news thing to come out saying, no, we made a mistake. We changed our minds,
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden it'll shoot up 100 points, and then you know, we're off to the races again. Problem is you can't
Yeah.
trade that stuff, right? Because it happens in milliseconds. Ah, yeah, man, this is not acting. This might want to seek down on your 50K. This might want to seek down a little bit closer to the middle of the envelope, pull back maybe, and then go back up again. So we might be in for a wait of the next one or two 10K bars to see if that forms up. Patience, 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 right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still about 400, negative 400 on the footprint. So we had a 560 on the last one with a high of 787 in the to the negative. And this one we got, yeah, sellers are trying their best to push price down right now, and they're not making huge strides, but it's enough. It's enough to keep the price from pushing up. All right.
I still think we could rotate to the top, but
Sure. Anything's possible. I just, yeah, my question is on timing. That's all. I think you're right. I think ultimately you're right. I just think that it's a matter of when are we going to see that? And yeah, my charts are just a tiny bit different than yours. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like. But I like the range we've got. Right now we're sitting in the middle of the opening range. So yeah, maybe a dump back down to the, we got a 515. We've got a little trough there that would be a break of structure or change in structure. We could easily go down there. There's an extension DML down there as well, right around, I think on your screen it's sitting at closer to 530, but mine's around 515. So somewhere in there wouldn't be crazy on the next couple bars. And let's see, what would that do for the 50K?
I'm thinking this 600 level could hold,
Yeah.
or at least this area.
Yeah, we'll know in a minute. Yeah.
Come down, come down.
All right. Yeah. Look at the whispering sweet nothings in its ear. Yeah.
Yep.
That's how we
Yeah.
do it. Talk sweet to it. Talk sweet to it. Oh, I love it. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna take a little pullback here.
If we get back closer to 600, I'm going to take a buy.
Okay. Yeah, we got those oncoming. Looks like a little bit of a
Order
KLR kind of
filled.
forming up on the 10K, where you got the hot pink extension DML and the beigeish
Order canceled.
true average have sucked down past the envelope, which is those green lines there. If this thing
Man,
closes
my
up above
God.
there, Go ahead. What's up?
My freaking so laggy, man.
Hmm.
I just tried to take a position and it just lagged like fucking crazy.
That's no good.
I don't know why.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, where this 10K bar will tell us a lot where it closes, and how far it goes down, and we'll see. But yeah, if you notice these oncoming DMLs, we got stacked cores, which is usually a strong indicator. Strong either resistance or
Order filled.
support, depending on what side you're on. And we got the true average, so we'll see how it goes. All right.
I'm in a long from 603.
All right. $603. Let's see if we can get some action here, man.
I'm gonna try and target the highs.
That would be beautiful. I'm pulling for you, buddy.
It's looking good so
I think,
far.
yeah, got a little traffic coming up on the 10K, but nothing it can't handle. I think if your previous target is a similar, yeah, but around 700, I'm showing the congestion in the extension DML. So once it gets past the middle of the envelope, I think you're in good shape. And right now, sellers are there, but they're not super strong yet. All right, come on, baby. There we go. Need some buyers to come in and get this thing a push. Looks like the sellers are fading off a little bit. Hopefully we get that push you want. Oh man. Yep, sellers are coming back in now. Giving it a try. Oh. Man. Just getting ready to click over to a new bar, man. If it closes above these cores, these oncoming cores, you might be in good shape, man. It's looking all right. We got another 1,000 to go, 1,000 contracts to go. Hopefully we can hold at least here. There we go. Give Uncle Jay some love, will ya?
Yeah.
Come on, NQ. You dirty girl. Ah, here we go. You're 200 out. I sure would like to see it close right around here, around 600 or above. That would be beautiful. There we go. I think we got it. I think might be in okay shape, man.
Yeah. Let's see.
All right. Push, push. Oh, come on now. Yeah, maybe just don't know, man. It's flirting with it. It's flirting with you. Got to reel her in. See if we can get something out of it here. Well, it's rejected this core DML a couple of times, so hopefully it keeps on doing that. Hopefully that holds for you.
We'll see.
There we go. All right, might have something coming up here.
Yep.
Looks like buyers are surging up a little bit. Let's see how strong it is. Hmm. There we go. There we go. Get up above. Cross over the middle of that envelope for us. Yeah, because if we can get clear of that resistance level, I think you're in good shape, man.
Uh-huh. Should
Yeah, it's trying.
should push up, but anything can happen.
Somebody's trying to push it up, but yeah, there's a little tug of war going on, but little at a time, baby, little at a time. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Keep on cruising. There you go.
Oh, what was that?
Oh man, it just literally was up over 300 on the footprint and sucked down to like 0 on the buyer. Something,
Order
some
filled.
news event or some big order, something came in and slammed it down.
Yes. Oh, that just
Don't know what that
ruined
was.
it.
Oh man.
Good thing,
Well,
good thing I
let's
was
build it.
break even. God damn.
Oh, did it take you out?
Yeah, dude, did you see that? That was
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah.
Man, I was pushing 40 points, and then it just all of a sudden, boom.
Oh, damn it.
Something must have just came out.
Yeah, yeah. Now we are squarely
Oh, dude, we're
selling off.
we're retarded. We're absolutely retarded.
Yeah, we are.
University of Michigan sentiment just came out. That's what just came out.
What did they say?
Yeah, it's shit. It's missed
Oh,
missed big time.
okay. So that explains the dump.
Man, that's I
Yeah,
mean,
you
I
were
was break
close.
even, so I don't care. But
Yeah. You were close.
that's just not like me. I always aware news. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I was
Yeah.
just caught up setting up the stream and shit.
Yeah, this is a new world for us, man. Well, it's funny that this is an insight, though. It's funny that because like I said, we do this thing every day anyway, Monday through Friday, and um, so putting it out there in the world and putting it on live stream is a new experience for us, and I'm enjoying it so far. It's fun.
Yeah, absolutely. It's
But yeah, can take focus off of some of your preparation and stuff.
well, it'll just become a new. I'll settle into a new routine, right?
Right, right,
And all will be well in the world. But
right. Yeah, this is trending down here on the 10K, but not super strong. So we'll see how far it wants to go.
well,
But
we've got a
yeah,
lot of support coming up. So
Yeah, we had lots of selling going on the footprint as far as the just the raw delta was, minus 560, 720, 474. Now we're at 450 on this current printing bar. So yeah, a lot of selling pressure, man. We got to wait for that to dissipate before we can think about even reversing or turning around. Look at that, oh, just went over 800. So yeah, looks like we're trying to go revisit the opening range low maybe, but I don't know if we'll get that far, but we'll see. Looks like that bar closed up off of yeah, it didn't quite get to that extension DML, and it looks like on yours it did touch it. So yeah, we'll see how this bar shapes up. Got a live flash going on the support level on the blue line there. Looks kind of like a lightning bolt flash a little bit on my screen. Yours is a little smoother, but more of a curve.
yeah, I because of that news that came out, I have no idea what's gonna happen now. I'm hands off at the moment.
Yep. And we're getting ready to start a new 50K bar at the end of this 10K. So let's see what how we're looking here. Yeah. Even though we're in a downtrend on this 10K, I don't want to see. I'm not taking any shorts because we had a long bias today. But all right, hey Dan, thank you, man. Thanks for checking in with us. You have a good one. Be safe.
Yeah, Dan, keep tuning in, buddy. We're here every single day, 9:15 to about 11:30, quarter to 12. So
Yeah, Eastern time. Yep.
join us, buddy. Oh, don't tell your friends. Tell your friends.
All right. Yeah, we're in a, looks like, we got if you look at that red line there on the 10K from the bar before, it makes that little V shape. That's what's called a pocket, folks. And that's when they're up above us right there, they push down. And when they're below us, they generally have a tendency to push up and be support. So right now we're in a little bit of a
Yeah,
resistance pocket. And so, yeah, I would expect price to either stick around here or not push up too far. It might come up to true average or something, that beige dot, middle of the envelope, but I don't think it'll go too much past that. And I think it's more likely to go down to that core DML you got there, that yellow one right below you.
yeah,
But we'll
yeah,
see.
folks. This
Again,
this is
all
the pocket right here. When you see these V shapes on the red line and the blue line, those are so that would be a resistance pocket and like something.
are you trying to draw? Because I'm not seeing anything yet.
No, I'm just trying to move my
Okay.
cursor and point it out.
There you go. I see it now. Yep.
And
There you go. Perfect.
that's a support pocket. Right here's one right here.
Yep.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, they tend to.
VPE lesson of the day.
Yeah. I think it's good, man, because and anybody who wants to know more and get a little more, because we'll kind of jump around at things as they come up, but there's a whole when you join the 14-day free trial over at volproedge.com, there's modules and course. There's a whole trading course there that it starts with explaining what all these lines and dots and things are. It goes through a glossary of terms. It goes through how they work, what they do, how they work together. It covers full integration with some kind of template strategies and things you can use. And by the way, these work on whether you're trading futures, whether you're trading options, whether you're trading stocks, anything. This indicator works on any instrument. We have people in VolPro Edge that trade gold, crude, Bitcoin. You can use this on anything. Because it's all math. We don't understand, but please don't ask us the math behind these dots and lines because we don't know. We just know they work. We follow them, and but basically that's what it does. Is it helps read the market and help show us what the probabilities are. Again, these are all probabilities. No one has a crystal ball, but as you can see, we're not 100%, but we don't need to be. That's where the risk management piece comes in. If you're managing your risk properly, you don't need to be right all the time. So that's how it works.
Yeah, once you spend time learning the language, these charts will make a hell of a lot more sense to you.
Yeah.
I couldn't personally. I'm so used to it now. I couldn't imagine trying to navigate without it. But
Right, right. Well, you're coming up on a year using these, so yeah,
yeah,
you got
about 9 months, I think.
yeah, yeah, and with a few years of trading experience behind that. Whereas, those of you who are new to trading, those of you who haven't done a whole lot, you might identify with me. I've only got about 6 months, but never traded futures before. I dabbled a little bit in a few things, but I didn't know what a tick or a point was 6 months ago. So I've just studied really hard. I've applied myself and stuck with VolPro Edge. No strategy hopping. No, I mean, it took me a while to figure out some strategies within VolPro Edge because again, it's just an indicator like any other. You can use it how you find that it works for you. But yeah, I've only got about 6 months in, so I'm still green, still learning. But trying to share the journey a little bit with people, and maybe if you identify with me, you only got a little bit of trading time in, but you're frustrated or whatever, give VolPro Edge a try.
Order filled.
Let's see
I'm
here.
attempting a long from the lows here.
Okay, would you get in at? 520-ish?
5. No, I'm 550.
Okay, right at the
We're gonna,
close
we
there.
got a we got a we got a 50K pocket and a 10K reversal signal here. So let's
Yeah,
see.
that's a good one. Got a lot of support down there. You got double stacked core DMLs, extension DMLs. You definitely got some support for your position, man. Let's see what he do. They'll pull back there. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, I'm not fully convinced myself, but I think we'll see, man. I hope it works out because the longer we watch these charts today, the more information we get. All right, I will be right back.
All right. Let's see if we get a push up here. Well, let's see. I'm struggling a little bit here, guys. Let's see if we can push up. Come on.
Yeah, right now I'm not seeing a whole lot of juice in these pushes up. They're happening, but not real fast.
It's all right. We'll see. I'm gonna hang on for the long haul, or at least try to. Come on.
All right, and I'm back.
Nice. We should push up to 600 at least. I would hope.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh,
Yeah. Ooh.
Order
all right.
filled.
I had to cut it. I had to cut it at break even.
Yeah.
See, this is the fine line that like I'm trying to walk lately. Like I'm trying to practice holding, but like
Yeah.
two times now I was up 350 and walked away with nothing.
Right.
You know what I
Right.
mean? Like I could have had a $700 day right now.
Yeah, that's true.
That's what always fucks with my mentality. Like, okay, try to hold for these 60, 70, 80 pointers, but it's like every time I say I'm gonna do that, I get fucked.
Right. Right. Yeah, well, for me, it comes down to I tend to right now I'm kind of in a slump where I'm coming in a little bit later because I'm looking for more confluences for my trades,
Yeah,
and so
you
I end up getting later entries. So that's usually what causes me to cut trades or not get as much action is I was a little late on the entry. So I don't know. Like to me, this is still downtrending, so I wasn't looking for any long, so I don't know if that played into it at all. Is that it's just for me, I'm just not seeing anything strong enough to the upside that tells me that it's ready to go.
Oh, we've got those double cores, like just the way the 10K was acting. We're in a 50K
Hmm.
pocket. Like that's just
Hmm. Yeah.
it doesn't look like it before it happens, but then we push right out of it. You know what I mean? Like
Sure.
where you think it's gonna go. So I'm just trying to trust the system. That's all.
Let's
Yeah,
see,
we push
man.
right
Yeah.
back. We push right
See
back
now
up.
it'll
Boom.
go.
Yeah, now
Yeah,
it'll go.
it's a picky little bitch there, huh? All right, new take 10K bar. It's above the support line there. This might have a little legs on it
Oh,
because you got everything
well,
underneath it now.
yeah.
Up to about 640 where that extension DML is, maybe. We'll see though. It might pull back to the middle of the envelope still. Yeah. Yeah, I just don't think this market's just not ready to rip yet. And when it will, it'll happen in about 3 seconds.
I'm kind of happy it's pushing back down because if this thing ripped right after I got out, I'd be like, ah, fuck. But whatever. That's baseball, right?
Yep.
That's
Let's
baseball.
see.
Ooh.
There we go. Still messing around here in the middle of this envelope in between those green lines. It's just not committing yet.
I don't think we have it. I don't think we have anything for the rest of the day. Let's say 22nd. No,
What's
it's
that,
Friday
news-wise?
too.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, yeah. I was just wanted to see if we got nothing.
Uh, yeah, man, this price action's still kind of trying to find its bottom, slink around here. It's not committing to much. It's just bouncing around. So right now it looks like 10K is in congestion, what we call congestion action trading. Since it moved, it closed the last bar, and the 10K closed back above the middle of the envelope. So we would expect this one to cycle down to the bottom of the envelope, about where it is now, a little bit lower. And then the next one to cycle back up, or it could choose to exit congestion up or down, depending on what's going on. So we'll see what the next type of trading. We're anticipating an exit from congestion one way or the other.
Yeah.
50K is still, it looks like it's in congestion a little bit too. It just barely closed below the bottom of the envelope, or the middle of the envelope on the last bar. So that could still come down to about 530-ish, maybe even 500, and then cruise back up to the top of that. That'd be a good spot for a long, is down around 500, I'm thinking. We'll see what it looks like when it gets there, if it gets there.
Yeah, all we can do is sit and wait now.
Yeah, well, was there any hockey playoff games last night?
Oh yeah, there'll be one every night.
Oh yeah,
There's
yeah. What happened? Tell me. I didn't watch it. Haven't been watching.
Montreal beat Carolina last night.
Okay, okay. Now, because it's Montreal, do you even care, or like it doesn't really matter to you?
No, I have zero vested interest in any of the teams that are in.
Gotcha. If it's not the Leafs, it's nothing, huh?
Not even that. There's other teams that I like watching, but like I don't know. I just
Right, right. But
don't
no
really
Canadian
care.
bias.
No, I don't give a fuck. I mean, most of the players in the league are Canadian, anyways.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Oh man. What do you want to do, Miss NQ? Tell me, do.
It's Friday too, so
Yeah, yeah.
the rest of the day could be a fucking wash.
Yeah, although I was expecting maybe a little more lively Friday, since markets are closed on Monday in the US for a US holiday, but um yeah, I don't know. I was thinking that
Because
might.
all the big guys are already fucked off, right?
Right, 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 right.
Yeah, pretty much. That's the census anyway.
All right, we're coming down a little bit.
If we break the 511 500 area, we could see some lower activity.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're just getting ready to
We're
punch through
still
the bottom of the initial or the opening range. We're, we're we're
yeah,
we're flirting with it right now.
yeah, we're
Got a little
still in a
rejection.
50K pocket also.
Yeah, we got a little rejection off of that extension DML on the 10K.
Yeah. If I flick to my chart here, there we go.
Yeah, we got minus 700 on the footprint. So
Yeah, so if
sellers are still pushing.
yeah, so if here you see these level guys, the inside ones, that's the opening range, and the bottom one here, that's the initial balance. Other than VPE, that's the only secondary indicator I use, kind of just as a roadmap for the day. Lets me know uh,
Yep.
important levels for the current session, and just yeah, just acts like a roadmap. Where have we been? Where could we go? How's it reacting? But yeah, so VP is the primary. That's what I trade off first and foremost, and then just as a secondary visual, I see where we are for the day with those levels
Right.
there.
Very
It
good. Very
works for
good. All right.
me. I like it. I like it a lot.
Got a new 10K bar here. Looks like still some desire to push down a little bit. Sellers are not done. And like I said, I'm eyeballing that 500 level for the bottom of the envelope on the 50K,
Hmm.
and then maybe some kind of turnaround after that, because that congestion action play would be pretty classic if it did that.
Yeah.
Let's see if she
So
holds.
yeah, we got a lot of support. You can see we have a previous 50K pocket right here, and we have the tops of all these previous bars.
Mm-hmm.
That's about right around the 450 level, like we said before. So we'll see what
Gotcha.
kind of a reaction we get down there.
Yeah, yeah.
We're flirting with 500 right now.
Yes, sir. Yep. And the sellers are still pushing, man. We're big old sell off here, looks like.
You know what I forgot to do on that last trade,
What's
BDR?
that?
I forgot to flip my screen over so they
Ah,
can see the trade. I
gotcha.
gotta
It's
get
all
I
good,
gotta
man.
get in the I gotta get in the habit of doing that.
Yep, yep. It's all good.
So I apologize to anyone out there. Uh, like, what are you talking about? I don't see anything on the screen. Yeah, hand up. My fault. My bad. My bad.
All good, man. All good. Yeah, for anybody that's watching who wants a little more in-depth explanation on what they see, what's going on here, again, go over to volproedge.com, 14-day free trial, check it out, take the course, get the explanation directly from the creator of VolPro Edge, and he can explain it better than we can, but we'll do our best as this goes along. Yeah, it looks like we might be pulling back a little bit, but I'm not convinced we're not done yet. We'll see though. It did reject off of that core DML. So, and we got a KLR
Yeah,
forming up on the 10.
this could be a sweep of the lows too.
Yep, yep. Sure could be. Let's see. Still waiting for my sign to jump in and be part of the party.
Yeah, we actually have a big. We do have a chance to rotate up here.
Hmm.
Shit, it's taking off without me. I want it to come back a little bit. I don't want to just jump in right here, but this thing could
Right.
just end up throttling without me. Like you see how this 10K started out
Hmm.
bearish and then it completely flipped and it swept the lows.
Yep.
That's classic NQ. And we're in a 50K pocket. We've regained the core congestion DML.
Yep.
I think we could
Yep.
I think we could be in for an upside here.
Well, let's see where this guy closes. We got about 3,500 contracts to go on this 10K.
Yeah. I would like it to come just a little bit lower, just for a good price, but
Right. Yeah, I'm really watching how these oncoming DMLs are forming up on this 10K. See where we end up with that. Make my decision, and then. But yeah, if this red line here, this Volpro reaction resistance line forms a nice little V here, and we close into that, I'll be looking to buy.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, I need price to be back down a little bit closer to that V, about 535, maybe 530, 535. Let's see if we get it. There are 1,800 contracts to go.
Order filled.
I took a buy.
All right, where are you in at?
Looks like 540.
All right.
Maybe should have waited, but
No, you're probably right. There she goes. I was just thinking of joining you in the party too. Let's see if it comes back down. Maybe I'll get in. I was trying to wait for the close. I usually like to wait for this one to close and really show me its hand, but man. All right, what are we going to do here? Give me a little pullback. Yeah, I think this train left the station without me. I think you got it.
yeah. Oh, hang on. Let me. We just talked about this. Let me change my screen. There we go.
All right. Yeah, I would like to see it down here more close to the 40 to get involved in this party right now, but I think this is going to be a train left the station. Oh, maybe not. Maybe. Let's see. Eh, sellers are coming in trying to make a push here. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's going to get down low enough for me to be interested. Looks like you got clear up to like 600 or so.
Yeah, 600 would be a nice.
There you go. Push, push, push. Nice. Yeah, man, I think you're in good shape. But got to sit tight and be patient, wait for it to happen. Let's see. Looks like the 50K has got a tiny bit of traffic to get through, but yeah, we're still good. You got middle of the envelope coming up right around 585 or so. Yeah, man, I think we're.
Let's go, baby. Come on.
There you go. Yep. Looks like sellers are whittling down a little bit, little by little. Relieve that pressure and let it pop up for you. There you go.
Come on.
That's it. Yep. That's it. Looks like this one's going your way, man. Good job. You're almost
Yeah.
there. A little bit more to go.
Order filled.
All right. I took 595. That was nice.
All right.
That was a good. That was a good hold. That was a good hold. That was a great. That was good. I liked that a lot. That was
Good
sweet.
job, man. Good job.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it.
All right.
Appreciates you. Appreciates you.
Yeah, Oz appreciates you. I wish I could have been on that train with you. I just hesitated a little too much, man. That's on me.
Don't worry. Me and you will be running lots of trains in our
Right,
partnership.
right, right. Yeah, no,
I'll be the conductor. You can fucking hang out in the caboose.
all right. Well, whatever works. It's my specialty. But if you take a look at it though, VolPro Edge showed us this trade, right? I mean, it came off of the core DML down there. Once it got up the congestion, and also the 50K came down and touched the bottom of the envelope, just as we had talked about. So yeah, I don't know why I hesitated. That's just one of those things of I should have gone with my instinct and trusted the indicator. It was telling us where it was going to go. Now let's see what it wants to do with it. See if it wants to rip on up or if it wants to mess around at this level and be in congestion still.
You know what though, BDR? Like in the moment when those two earlier trades quote unquote fucked me, even though I didn't take losses, I was break even. I mean, I got rewarded this time for holding.
Yeah. Well, it's got to be, yeah. Again, we get paid for patience, for sure. Yeah, but that was a good trade right there.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm sure let's hope we get at least one more shot.
The best trades I find from studying VPE are the ones that move across the envelope. Like you start from the lows and move across.
Right.
If you take any chart, like even the 50K, like the best ones are the ones like, look at this one right here, like in the pocket, and that's a monster trade because that's the 50K. That's a monster trade from the lows here all the way up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Textbook. Another 50K pocket. Regain the DMLs. 10K gave the signal. I mean, you just gotta wait in the weeds like a lion and
no, it definitely showed. Like it showed there. It was a classic, and I should have remembered. Higher time frames, just like when you're doing time charts, higher volume takes precedence over lower volume, and that was a perfect setup. That was beautiful. Yep, I should have jumped on it.
Well, you can always go slam your dick in a door jam later.
Pay my penance somehow, right?
Yeah.
It's all good, brother. It's all good. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see how strong this uptrend is going to be. It definitely did its reversal. It's trying to exit congestion now, or it did exit congestion. Now we'll see if this develops into an uptrend or does it go back down and re-enter congestion. I don't know. According to the 50K, it should still cycle back up to at least the top of the envelope, which is going to be 650-ish.
Hmm.
So let's see. That's what the tarot cards tell us.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. Hey, Goo. Goo just told you nice trade, man.
Today's sponsor,
Yep.
DC.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, thanks, Woo. I try, brother. I try. However, I did remember to click over for you guys.
Right? See?
So you could actually see the trade.
He can learn. He can.
I can do it. I can do it.
Yeah, good job, man. Good job. Uh,
I wipe my own ass.
yeah.
What's your name? I'll have them write it on the wall for you.
Right?
Big Daddy. That's that movie, Big Daddy.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I love it.
What do you want for dinner? I don't know. 100 packets of ketchup.
uh, let's see. Are we gonna hit 650-ish? That's what I'm thinking. 645, 650-ish in that ballpark. Could go a little higher
Yeah, we're
too, but
cruising.
yeah,
We're cruising.
see if these oncoming double cores don't get in the way on the 50K, or I'm sorry, on the 10K. But 50K is still saying we're heading up.
Yeah.
Now, do you purposely? I just noticed too on your 50K, you don't have your price range off to the right there. Is that just a choice of yours of how you like it
Well,
to
I mean,
display it?
I see it on my screen.
Ah, gotcha. It's just off the
It's
edge. Okay, cool,
yeah.
cool deal.
Yeah.
Not that it's necessary, but
I
just
mean,
wondered.
because I figured like they can see price on the 10K, right?
Right, right. It's the same.
I
Yep.
mean, I could do this,
Oh, I
slide it
mean,
over like that. I
my
guess.
picture, my video feed will be blocking part of it anyway. Just was wondering.
Well, yeah, actually, that now that you say that, that was a factor as well. I was like, well, they can't really see it anyway. I mean,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
guess I could move you over like this.
All right. Looks like we're gonna finish up
So
as
that how do you feel about that layout, BDR?
yeah.
With
Yeah,
you
it's good.
underneath me, it kind of leaves. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. It kind of leaves more real estate over here. I don't know. I guess
yeah. Either way, man. Either way, I'm good with it.
yeah, gold jacket, green jacket. Who gives a shit?
Right. Right. Let's see if this last 5,000 contracts. See if we push up to that 640-ish level. We might not, but because then I think we might be due for a cycle back down after that if that happens.
You haven't taken any trades today, have you?
No, no. Like I said, I missed out on that one. I should have been in with you, but it's all right. As long as we have decent movement, I'll get my shot. Right now, we're pretty much sitting right in the middle of the opening range, so I don't usually like to take too many trades here because it's it's been so fickle. It can go either way.
Yeah. You know what's cool though? You know what did play out?
What's that?
And it's just cool to see because I mean it just reinforces that we at least have a clue of what we're talking about. Price
Mm,
did come down to our almost mid 400s and reversed, and that's
yep,
I mean we called that out. We called that out like at least twice earlier.
yep, 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 yep. Yeah, no,
So,
I'm telling you, it's amazing how this works. The limitation here in that decision was me. You know what I mean? All the signs were there. I should have known to take it and just done it. but I'm not quite at the
That's all right
robotic
though.
stage yet. Not quite at the
We'll
robotic
be
stage yet, but I'll get there.
you'll graduate to BDR 2.0 soon, and
Right,
then we'll get to the 2.2 beta test version. Then we'll get the 2.6, and then you'll be a 3.0.
right, right.
You know,
Eventually,
takes time,
eventually.
fella.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, dude, we're pushing 630s now, almost.
Beautiful. Yep.
Hey, Woo, did you like and subscribe to the stream or what, buddy? Give her the old thumbs up for Uncle Jay. Would you, pal? Would you? Could you? Pretty
Just
please.
a little bit more, please.
Just a tip, I swear. Just a tip.
Right. All right. What are we looking at here now? Still flirting around with that near the top. It's trying to edge its way up to the top of that envelope here, but we're just gonna switch over in about. Looks like we got about 3,000 contracts to go. See if it edges up there.
Yeah, you're right, Woo. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, dude. My bad. Apologize. Beg my pardon.
All right, let's do it. Come on there,
Me and BD, me and
640-ish.
BDR beg our pards every day, just for the record.
Let's see if we're gonna see 640. Come on, yeah. Very good, very good. I think
640,
this
dude.
is
At
it.
this rate, we're going back to 700 for fuck's sakes.
This is it. This is it. No, I don't think so, man. I think we're, if you look at this 50K, I think we're gonna uh I don't know, man. I'm thinking we're gonna rotate back down, but to me it looks like it's just gonna stay in congestion because these moves have not been that strong. This move up has not been very decisive and strong. It's been, okay on the 10K, but on the 50K it's been kind of it languished down in the lower part for a couple of bars. So we'll see. I could be totally talking out of my ass, but
Yeah, I think your asshole might have grew some teeth, dude, because it's
mm, maybe I'll have to check that. Let's see here. What do we got? I mean, there's certainly on the 10K, there's certainly room. The DMLs are showing us we got some space to go up there for sure, but I don't know. But guess what? We're gonna know in a couple of minutes.
You really mean it?
Go to your home. Are you too good for your home? All right. Here we come. We're coming up on the close here. 1,000 to go.
We got double cores coming on the 10K.
Yes, sir.
Could keep us swatted down a little bit. We got the old dual action. We'll see. Top of the envelope on the 50.
Yep. That's where we thought it would go.
That's where we thought it would go, and it's where we ended up. Imagine that.
Yeah. Look at that.
Almost like we knew what the fuck we were doing here.
Oh, no, don't say that. I don't know a damn thing. Oh, very good, man. Very good. Let's see here. Now, what are we going to do? Going to rotate back down, or are we going to take a breath here? Let's see. Yeah, if we get a pull back to this like 60, Yeah, it's hard to say, man. We got a little bit of a support pocket on that last 50K, so that would push this up a little bit. Oh man, this could exit to the upside. Yeah, now that I'm looking at that 50K, we opened into that support level right there. You know, just above that VolPro reaction support. Kind of like a reverse. It'd be a reversal signal if it was like on the 10K, but I don't know, man. That could signal a pretty strong push up. Yeah, I'd like it more if there was some more DMLs directly up under there to, you know, closer by to push up and provide support. But
I have. I didn't. I wonder.
what's that?
I didn't have the. I didn't have the VPE chat up this whole damn time.
Yeah,
Like
not a ton.
Like a jerk off.
Not a ton. Yeah, I know we've got a lot of VolPro Edgers around the world that are just, you know, learn the course. They've taken the thing. They just don't participate in the chat. They're not as social as you and I, so they're just kind of off doing their own thing, which is cool too. People trading Asia, London, you know, all over the place.
Yeah. Oh, what do we got here? I'm just gonna mute my mic for a sec. I got a message from the Oracle. I don't know what it says, so.
All right.
I don't even know where's the button for that. Yo, BDR, I'm gonna press a button right now.
Okay.
And I'm gonna keep talking. Just let me know if you hear me or not.
You got it.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Shit. What about? Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Okay.
Still
Those
got
aren't the
you.
buttons. Those are not the buttons for mute, folks. That's really weird.
Let's see here. What are we looking at? $610. I might be a buyer here at 10, 610 maybe. Right at the support level here. If we drop a little lower.
Oh, I'm getting a message in the background here.
Yeah, what's up?
KLR says she couldn't hear me. So maybe you can hear me because you're plugged into my audio.
Oh,
Maybe
okay, maybe.
Maybe it doesn't broadcast it out. So good to know.
Yep.
All right. Wow. That explains it. So
Let's see here. What are we going to do? We're going to come back down and Yeah, I'd be interested at the 610 level here, but in a buy. But this thing is taking its time. Doesn't look like it's going to get there.
All right. Right on.
All right, all good?
Yeah, oh, everything's great. Everything's
Awesome.
great.
Yeah, it looks like we're trending up here on the 10K, but not super strong.
Yeah, I don't
Nope.
like the like if you look at the 10K here. Where's my why? There we go. We're coming into resistance. Like you see this resistance here? It's a lot of traffic.
Yeah, yeah.
A
Yeah, you
lot of
got double
traffic
stack.
over there, and we got these double cores.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that it can't. It's not that it can't. I just
Right, right. Well, I was just thinking I like that pocket that we formed on the 50K. That normally that's a pretty strong push up from there, but it didn't happen this time. So it's all good. I can be patient.
yeah.
Man, I think volume is really slowed down here. We must be getting starting to creep up on lunch hour in New York or something because yeah, things have slowed down significantly on the volume.
Well, it's long weekend. It's Friday and Friday of a long weekend, so
Yep.
we could be in for a snooze fest this afternoon. You got anything interesting going on this weekend, BDR?
No, just having dinner with some friends tonight, and I don't know. We'll see. I might. I don't,
That's like 6 nights a week for you, buddy.
no, 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 no. But no, we'll see. I'm cooking some homemade gyros though. Can't wait to eat those. Those are delicious.
Oh, you're
Those
making
are,
food at home?
oh yeah, yeah. No, I'm making some lamb and Angus beef gyros with some tzatziki, pita bread. It's gonna be delish. Yeah, I do a
Oh,
little cooking.
I
Oh, I like
guess
to cook.
I guess my invite got lost in the fucking mail or something.
Yeah. Yeah, you're a little far away, brother. What are you about? It's about probably 6,000 miles away, something like that.
Yeah, I actually don't know if you know this or not, but
That. Tell me.
what are those fucking things called? Oh yeah, airplanes. That's what they're called.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. There
you
you
could
go.
use one
Well,
of
hey,
those. How about that?
dude, there's plenty of food if you get on down here, brother. Get on down here. Yeah, it looks like we're
Connection
pushing up now
lost.
You know
finally.
what? Fuck
Took a minute.
you.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Looks like we finally did go ahead and push up there like I thought we might, but man. It just took its time.
Yeah, we're pushing through.
Yep.
You were interested in the 630s, no?
I was thinking about it, but yeah, I didn't pull the trigger there. I was actually looking closer to like 600, 610 down where that support is, the VolPro support reaction level on the when it touched it right there on your 10K. right about the entry is where I was looking. But see, on my screen, it's down a few more points. It's down another like 10 points. So I was waiting for a little tiny bit more pullback, which didn't happen. Yeah, for those that don't know, Jay's working on NinjaTrader and I'm working off Sierra charts. So the indicator is the same, but the way that each of those people, each of those platforms calculates the data is a little bit different. So the indicators show up just slightly different. And so sometimes we have information that's slightly different from each other, but all normal.
It's only off by a few points. Like
Yeah.
it's not anything catastrophic.
No.
But it's just the way it aggregates the data. I don't.
Yeah, again, that's all magic
Nothing.
behind the scenes stuff I have no idea about.
Yeah, that's way above my pay grade.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Way above my pay grade.
What are we going to do now? Yeah, I think this is it's threatening to exit the congestion to the upside. It's just taking its time doing it. But yeah, we're over 500 on the footprint for buyers, and we're in the blue, so they are definitely charging up there a little bit. I just think the lower volume, taking longer to print bars. That's all.
Wonder if the U.S. and Iran get a deal done over the weekend.
I don't know. Anybody's guess is as good as mine.
I like the print of this fresh 10K. Looks like it could push further.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'd have to see price come down somewhere around the 25-ish area, I think, to be interested. And even then, we got a lot of resistance to get through up overhead with all these DMLs here, but it still looks like some room. The 50K looks strong.
Yeah.
So yeah, if we can get down to 30-ish or something, I'd probably be interested here, but we're still a little bit off. And plus now we're getting up to the top of the daily range there. So hard to say. I mean, there's plenty of room on the daily chart. There's nothing between here and close to 30,000, but yeah, I don't know as far as today where we'll get.
We'll be lucky. Like if we print the previous high, that'll be pretty much it. I think around 718 we got to.
Yeah. Yep. 718. That's right. Yeah, I may have missed my opportunity back there when you took your trade, but it's all right. This is a long haul deal. And one missed trade, doesn't mean a thing.
Yeah, that's what we like to tell ourselves.
Yeah, I'll go flog myself later.
Yeah.
No one wants to see that.
This market got a little dull.
Yep, yep. Well, got a little action coming back down, but not enough. Not enough for me.
Yeah, I think it's just gonna be a snooze fest for a while. I don't even know if it'll wake up this afternoon.
Yeah, hard to
You
say with
know,
on a Friday.
I think this is just gonna potentially just grind and creep up to the 700 level.
Yep, maybe. That is a possibility for sure.
We got the London high here at 668. If it gets through that, then we should be alright. I go the rest of the
Hey,
way, but
Kalalani, yeah, we're looking at time frames on these charts. We're looking at 50,000 volume on the top and 10,000 volume on the bottom. We're using volume charts. We both execute our trades on time-based charts on other platforms, but VolPro Edge is works. It will work on time-based charts for sure. But think of the top one, the 50K. Think of that as an hour, and think of the bottom one as a 15-minute, and that's basically how it works. So, but these are each of these bars is based on a number of contracts. So yeah, 10,000 on the bottom, 50,000 on the top. It's available through NinjaTrader and also through Sierra Charts as volume-based charts. That's why we use them. Yeah, thanks for the question, man.
yeah, it just paints a much clearer picture of the market when you use volume charts. You can exactly what it says. You can see where the volume's coming in and where the the structure of what's happening. It just paints a much clearer picture. Once you get used to seeing it this way, you'll understand.
Yeah. Basically, it's just a thing of not really worrying about how much time has passed versus how much activity is happening. And so by
Yeah,
using the volume-based
exactly.
charts, we're going based on market activity and not just time. So yeah, but definitely VolPro Edge works on. There are people who traded on time-based charts. Like I said, like the hour, the 15-minute. You could do even 4 hour and 1 hour. It really doesn't matter. The idea is that whatever works for your style of trading, whatever works for your trading plan, it can be adaptable. So yeah, looks like we're still, yeah, here we go. We're pushed up past that high there, and now our what is that, London high, and now we're heading on up. Yeah, this is a nice charge here.
It's funny because I was in at like 540, 543 or something like that.
Right.
I got out at just before 600, like 595,
Hmm.
597 or some shit.
Yeah.
Eh, Here we are printing 680.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And like I said, again, I hesitated. I should have listened to my I knew that this 50K was positioned to push up like this, but it just took a little while. Oh man, yeah, there we go. We're making a live flash on the on my 10K. Yep, looks like on yours too. So that could also be. We'll see how far up we get, because these flash patterns sometimes cause or indicate that there might be either a stoppage or a reversal, stoppage of the momentum or reversal in the other going the other way. But we'll see. Market will tell us.
There's a flash pattern right there. Bing, bang,
Yep.
boom.
Yep. Again, all this is available in the course that's on volproedge.com. You can go take the courses directly from the creator of this indicator, Andy Owings, and he explains all the terminology, all the terms, how they function, how they work together. It's got quite a few modules. It breaks down each little part. I've gone through the course myself probably at least a dozen times. So trust me, it's deceptively complicated or whatever. It actually looks very simple and you think you're learning it the first time through, but you got to go through quite a few times because you pick up little details that you didn't pick up the first time. But yeah, you
Yeah,
can
it's like speaking a language. It's just it takes
100%.
time. Once you
Yeah.
it's
You pick it
when
up
I
one
first
word at a
opened up. Yeah, when I first opened it up, it was I was like, what? in the fucking sorcery
Yep.
bullshit of the
Yeah, you
and then
literally learn it one word at a time.
yeah.
Yeah.
I can pretty much guarantee most people out there that once you learn this system and how it works, you'll wonder how you were trying to navigate without it.
All right. Very good. Very good. Yeah, it'll be interesting here. We'll see where we go with this. See if this 10K, if it closes nice and strong, then we'll probably continue on up.
Yeah, we got we got a 10K extension and we have a 50K extension coming up.
Yep. Very good. Very good. Yeah, and if you notice too, look at the support levels crossed over. We got top of the envelope on the 10K, your top of the envelope on the oncoming DML, extension DML, middle of the envelope, everything is sucked up there. So this is telling us too that we still got momentum to the upside. This is not done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So over 500 on the footprint. Buyers are still interested in this. So yeah, here comes 700. All right, how much are we going to get? Any pullback, or is it just going to keep on ripping? That is the question.
Hard to say.
Yeah, last
Probably not much of one.
yeah, last couple bars we haven't gotten hardly any pullback at all. So this thing is just leaving chemtrails. All right.
What time are we closing up shop today?
Probably coming up pretty close. Let's see if we can see a little change in structure here. If not, yeah, this thing is going to keep on going. But we just take a look here. We got another. Well, we got 718 for the high, the daily high. So let's see, it looks like we get a little bit of a pullback here, but I don't know if we'll get much more than true average, which is sitting right at like 680-ish, 675, 680-ish. I mean, if we were to get down to like 60, I might be interested in a long, but that seems like with the way the price action's been going, I don't see it being likely. But then we still don't have much room going up to those highs, so I probably wouldn't take it.
It's tough. It's tough being a buyer up here.
Yeah. So basically, yeah, I'll probably start wrapping things up. You had a good trade today. You got got in when the getting was good, and I missed the train. You want to recap that a little bit? Maybe how that happened.
Yeah, sure. Let's go to the old. Let's get both of them here. So the first, well, the one trade that I ended up bagging was we came down here on the 10K. We swept the previous lows, and this candle, we got this big 10K pocket here, and we were also in a 50K pocket. So this candle went from bearish to bullish, and we also regained the opening range on the New York session. So that's a classic reversal signal. So I got in at around 540, closed at almost 600. Could have held on. We're printing almost 700 now, but I mean that's hindsight. I was happy with my 55 points or whatever you want to call it. That was cool for me.
Right.
Yeah. That's that pretty much sums that one up.
Good deal, brother. Yeah, yeah. You know, sometimes, I mean, lately, the way the market's been lately, for sure, the last couple of months, you know, it seems like there's like one or two decent, really decent opportunities a day, and if you miss them, you miss them. You know, it's just that's baseball, as you say.
That's baseball, buddy. And
And there's no crying in baseball,
yeah, it's also porn too. Don't forget.
right? That is, that is. So yeah, man. I think you had a good trade. It's obviously, you know, still poking around, but I think we've lost enough volume that yeah, we can probably cut it here, and we'll be back on Tuesday is the plan. Tuesday morning will probably be about 15 minutes before the open and go over what happened. You know, if we did a crazy gap up or down, or you know, see what this market wants to do over the long weekend, because we are closed. Markets are closed on Monday, so yeah. You got anything? Any parting words there, Big J?
Not really. You don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
All right, folks. Hey, thank you
Roll
guys.
credits. Roll
Thanks for
credits. Let's go.
thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. VolProEdge.com. 14-day free trial. Go check it out. You'll be happy.
All right.
Talk to you.
You'll be happy. You'll love it. All right. See you.